Hi, my name is David Acallo. I'm going to show you what makes soda fizz. The materials you will need are a funnel, liquid Kool-Aid, some sugar, and some club soda. First, you would want to use a funnel for this, and you would put the liquid Kool-Aid. Then you add some of the sugar. Then you would add some club soda. You would want to close it for this part. As you can hear it fizz. Now you want to shake it, not too hard, not too soft. Whoa, look at all that fizz. This is the end of my cooking show. Bye.